Okay, might be figuring this thing out. Hey, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts. This is week 4 of the 30 days of Improv Quilt Along, and this week we are working on curves, and I am on day 3. And today was to try bigger humps, basically, in our curves. So I did that. I like this block. It appeals to me. So I used leftovers from this day in the middle. I had some pretty big humps and I knew I was going to have to get down to a 5.5 inch block, so I did cut it so I could squeeze it in and get some of the effects here, and then added that strip in the middle. So that is a curve, it's just too small to see. So this is the first week, which is squares and rectangles. This is the second week, which is polygons. Third week was triangles. This week is curves. Still nervous. Probably will be the rest of the week. This one is challenging me. So it's challenging me more in creativity, I think, especially with a small block. I think in a bigger block you could get the effect of the curves better and it would be really cool. But anyway, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and you get to see me finish out this week, finish out the quilts next week. I will be putting the whole thing together. And watch all the other fun stuff we got here. So let's get started. Okay, we're on day 3 of week 4 of the 30 day of Improv Quilt Along. And we're working with curves this week. So the first day was just get used to cutting and sewing curves. The second day was small piecing. I don't know if I did very well on that one, but anyway, it's improv. You can do whatever you want. Today their tip is to break out of the standard wave and add a bigger hump to your curves. See how that varies the look and shape of your blocks. So let's give that a shot. Maybe I'll do something else. I don't know. So I'm still working with my Peridot fat quarters, and these are the 2 colors I chose for today. And these are what I have left over from basically the first day, because I didn't really have any leftovers from the second day. So let's get started. Let's do a bigger hump. Oh yeah, I gotta remember that goes on top of each other like this. that turned out way better than I thought it would. Doing the big humps and then cutting it and then adding some of Monday's in there. That's actually a curve, but it's so small you can't even tell. But then when I cut it down to 5.5, it just, you get these swirls. It's really cool. I like it. I like it. What do you think? Went together pretty easy too. So that is day 3 of our last week of the 30 days of improv quilt along. We're doing waves this week. And today was trying out big humps. So that's what I did. But if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and you get notified when I put out the last 2 blocks that I'm doing in this quilt along. And then next week when I put it all together, you'll get to see that too. But I had fun doing this block and I had fun making this video. And I'll see you in the next one.